Welcome to AERO 3170, Aviation Safety. This video presentation will include a brief introduction to the class. We'll go over the class schedule and review the syllabus. And finally, we'll go over the assignment for the first week. Here's my contact information. My office phone is 615-898-5734. And you can reach me on MTSU email at robert.fowler@mtsu.edu. My office is in the Business and Aerospace Building on the south side, room S222, which is right across from the aerospace office. Here are my office hours. I'm available in the office between 9 and 11 a.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and at other times by appointment. Just a little information about my aviation background. I have almost 7,000 hours of total flight time, and of that, 6,000 hours is in dual given, which means I have over 6,000 hours as a flight instructor. I've instructed in several different aircraft: C-172, Cessna Skyhawk, the Diamond DA-20, which is a Diamond Katana, the Piper Seminole PA-44, which is a multi-engine trainer, the Piper Cherokee PA-28, the Piper AERO PA-28R, which is a complex aircraft, and the technically advanced Cirrus SR-20 and Cirrus SR-22. I also have experience in the King Air 90 and 200 in skydive operations as well as charter operations. Before I came to MTSU, I was a training manager in the flight department at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach. I was also an adjunct professor. Before that, I had experience as an airport manager, FBO owner. FBO is a fixed-based operator, and a Part 61 flight school owner. My flight school was a Cirrus training center, and I was a Cirrus Standardized Instructor Pilot, or a CSIP. Here's a copy of the class schedule. You can find the class schedule on D2L under the Content tab. It's arranged by week. For example, the first week, August 23rd through the 27th, will cover Textbook Chapter 1, which is an introduction. Quiz 1 is due on Thursday, August 26th, and your research paper topic should be posted to the discussion board by Sunday, August 29th. Next, we'll review the syllabus. We'll look at the required textbook and materials, talk about class participation and attendance, course requirements, grade determination, test makeup policy, classroom etiquette, and also end with a discussion about academic integrity. Here's the first page of the syllabus, which includes a description and also the objectives for the course. AERO 3170 addresses safety issues inherent in aviation operations. And that includes things like human factors, maintenance and design factors, weather implications. We'll look at numerous case studies involving aircraft accidents and aircraft incidents to help you identify potential risks and hazards in the aviation industry. You'll learn to apply knowledge about how safety is the primary obligation in professional aviation operations. And the topics that we'll discuss include human factors, decision-making, situational awareness, crew resource management, spatial disorientation, runway incursions, weather hazards, mechanical problems, safety management systems, and the role of the FAA and the NTSB. The required textbook is Commercial Aviation Safety, 6th edition by Rodriguez. You can obtain the textbook at the Phillips bookstore, in person or online. Your grade will include weekly quizzes, which cover the assigned readings and presentations. The quiz due dates and the times are posted on the D2L course calendar, so please pay close attention. 3 tests will cover the assigned readings and presentations as well, and there will be a research paper concerning a major aviation accident. Final exam will cover all assigned readings, presentations, quizzes, and tests. Here's a breakdown of the grading scale. The quizzes will count for 35 points. The 3 tests will count for 45 points. And the research paper will count for 20 points for a total of 100 points. The 3 tests include the final at the end of the course. Here are the letter grade ranges. An A is 89.5% to 100%, B 79.5% to 89.49%, C 69.5% to 79.49%, a D is 59.5% to 69.49%, and anything below a 59.5% is an F. The following ground rules are expected of all students in this course. First of all, you must learn how to navigate in the learning management system, which is known as D2L. Address any technical problems that you may have immediately. You can reach the IT help desk by emailing help@mtsu.edu. Be respectful of your instructor and your peers by refraining from derogatory statements. Student participation is required in this course. You're expected to log into the course a minimum of 3 times per week, if not more. Adhere to all due dates and deadlines in the course calendar on D2L. Utilize the Ask the Class discussion board if you have questions. And frequently check the course homepage for important announcements. The university takes academic integrity and misconduct very seriously. Please review the information on the MTSU website concerning academic integrity and misconduct. Plagiarism and cheating is strictly prohibited in this class. Plagiarism, cheating, and other forms of academic dishonesty include submitting one's own work, themes, reports, drawings, laboratory notes, computer programs, or other projects prepared by another person, knowingly assisting another student in obtaining or using unauthorized materials, submitting assignments that you previously used in other courses where you received credit for the work, and improperly crediting or lack of crediting of an original author's work. If you're found guilty of academic misconduct, you could receive an F or a 0 for the activity. You could receive an F or a 0 in the course, and you could also be expelled from the university. So it's very important to do your own original work. Refrain from cheating, and if you are writing a research paper, make sure that you're writing the paper in your own words. Paraphrase when appropriate, but avoid copying and pasting from someone else's work. The assignment for the first week is to read Chapter 1 of the textbook and consider the following questions. What's the difference between a hazard and a risk? And what's the difference between safety and security? Finally, select one of the accidents listed in Chapter 1 for your research paper assignment. So take a look at that list of accidents, and if one interests you, post the accident that you will be researching and writing about in the discussion board. There's also a quiz that needs to be completed by Thursday evening, August 26th.